ओके। आज हम बात करेंगे हिंदी और इंग्लिश मिक्स में एंड द टॉपिक इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन ड्रीमर, डूअर एंड प्लानर। सो ये एक बहुत ही अजीब स्टेज है। कई बार हम लोग, आई मीन बहुत सारे लोग, बहुत बहुत सारे लोग, व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट ड्रीमर, so they dream well, they have every next pieces together, just for the sake of dreaming. So when they dream, they don't limit their imagination to anything. No practicality, no possibility, no whatever. I mean, think of like goal or I mean nothing. So measurable, smart. No, 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 nothing. When they dream, and it is a very big thing because no one, not everyone can dream. The second category comes with the planners. Planners are kind of halfway there because they plan their dreams. They know what they want to do and they plan well, very, very well. But then when they plan, they also consider some practicality, some possibility, some what do you call, the aspect of like whether it is possible or not. So they are little better than dreamers, but again, there is a very big difference between the dreamer and the planner. So the third category is the doer, the executor. When executor performs, they don't, I mean, there are again categories of executors. One are like they are well planners, they execute, they plan everything in place, they dream the outcome beforehand, and that's how they proceed. And there are some people who do not know the outcome. They know that they will fear, they know that there will be obstacles, they know that there will be practical challenges, and they also know that they will fail. But will they try? Yes. Why these people matter? Because I have been living my life for almost like 42 years, and what I have seen, a bigger difference between the doer and the dreamer is the execution. So I'm not saying like word wise, I'm not saying, but think, if someone is doing, they are also taking the risk of failing. When you're dreaming, you know that you can dream the impossible. But when you're executing, you need to consider a lot of things. Like I did, okay, let me tell. So you see this, many people dream of it. Some plan for it. I have planned it for entire 1 year, but I never did it. But when I actually started doing the work, it was very difficult, more difficult than I thought. Like I know, like there are hiccups here and there. Sometimes you don't want to do it. Sometimes you feel no discipline. What will be, even if I don't do it, nothing harm. So there are things which you easily plan, and then if you execute, you also give up. But I know that I have planned many things which I have executed, and that may be little different from the people who were planning for it for entire year or maybe many years. Okay, but all I did was taking the first step. So when you take the first step is the very difficult one. Always, if you start doing the first step and you don't give up in between, someday you will figure it out. Which day we do not know, which how many efforts we do not know. I know many people in raisin art, they go wrong and then they redo it, they remove the part and then they redo the things. But then I am not that. If I don't succeed in one go, I will start again. I will not try to fix the one which I am doing. It depends on the product also. See, if you can fix, you will definitely fix. But think of this with this. This I will fix. But if it is a raisin art, I will just do it again for the sake of practice. It doesn't mean that I will not do something with the wrong product. I will definitely do it. But I think there is enough we can try and take risk for. So, net, what I learned and where people succeed in life. I am not saying that I am successful, but I know that I have succeeded in many of the things which I have dreamt, planned. But when it came to execution, nothing went like the way I imagined it. Never, ever. Not even a single thing which I imagined in terms of time, in terms of accuracy, in terms of outcome, exactly executed the way I imagined. It has never happened to me. I don't know such good, blessed people if there are, but I was able to execute. I was able to get success in the planning. And when I say the planning success, I'm not saying like everything will be perfect and then I will start. No, I will start and I will make it perfect. It has happened, it will happen again. Maybe this thing, maybe that thing. So what this video tells about the things is that do take first step and be prepared that you will go wrong. But then it should not stop you. Even if you fail, you know that this doesn't work and maybe something else will. But please try because that is what all matters. I hope this video helps.